How to use products containing essential oils to help reduce the appearance of breakouts and keep skin moisturized. Essential oils have long been used in traditional medicine and skincare for their therapeutic properties. When it comes to treating breakouts and keeping the skin moisturized, essential oils. Incredibly helpful. In this passage, we will explore how to use products containing essential oils to reduce the appearance of breakouts and maintain healthy, moisturized skin. Incredibly helpful. In this passage, we will explore how to use products containing essential oils to reduce the appearance of breakouts and maintain healthy, moisturized skin. Choose the right essential oils. Essential oils have different properties, and it is essential to choose the right ones for your skin type and condition. For breakouts, tea tree oil is an excellent choice as it has antimicrobial properties that can help kill bacteria that cause acne. Lavender oil is another good option as it has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and calm irritated skin. Herbs that can help kill bacteria that cause acne. Lavender oil is another good option as it has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and calm irritated skin. If you have dry or sensitive skin, choose essential oils that are gentle and hydrating, such as rosehip oil, argan oil, or jojoba oil. For oily skin, look for oils that can regulate sebum PR, such as grapeseed oil or rosemary oil. Use products that contain essential oils. When it comes to using essential oils, it is essential to use them in products that are specially formulated for skincare. This is because essential oils are highly concentrated and can be if used directly on the skin. Look for products such as cleansers, toners, serums, and moisturizers that contain essential oils. Make sure to read the label carefully and choose products that are free from harsh chemical. Rinses. Cleanse your skin properly. Keeping your skin clean is crucial for preventing breakouts. When you have acne-prone skin, it is essential to cleanse your face twice a day to remove excess oil, dirt, and bacteria that can. Pores. Use a gentle cleanser that contains essential oils such as tea tree oil, lavender oil, or chamomile oil. These oils can help unclog pores and prevent breakouts while keeping the skin moisture. Use a toner. Using a toner after cleansing can help remove any remaining dirt or oil and can prepare the skin for moisturizer. Look for a toner that contains essential oils such as witch hazel, rosewater, or oil. These can help soothe and hydrate the skin while restoring its pH balance. These can help soothe and hydrate the skin while restoring its pH balance. Apply a serum. Serums are lightweight formulas that penetrate deep into the skin and provide nourishment and hydration. Look for a serum that contains essential oils such as rosehip